All right, one final problem involving the properties of logarithms. So again, we just did the reverse process of this in the previous video. So push pause and see if you can then reconstruct this using the properties of logarithms. We want to write this as one single logarithm. Again, this is just practice of those properties and recognizing them. So here we go. I am going to first start by getting rid of these coefficients because I can't do anything with these minuses and pluses as long as there's a coefficient there. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say that this first term is log base 3 of x plus 2 squared. There's no coefficient, or there's a coefficient of 1, and then minus the log base 3 of y to the 5th power. Okay, so I've made each of those now powers. And so, again, you can do this in as many or as few steps as you need to. I'm just going to go ahead first and perform the product rule. And so I have log base 3 of x plus 2 squared times x. There is no need to go ahead and FOIL this out. That's just extra work that is unnecessary. So I'm going to leave it like that. And now I've got this minus sign, so I'm going to end with the quotient rule. So I've got the log base 3 of x plus 2 squared times x in the top, and then y to the 5th in the bottom. And that is using the properties of logarithms to scrunch everything back together.